This is question 8 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2018 afternoon session. The annual average rainfall in a tropical city is 1000 millimeter. On a particular rainy day, the cumulative rainfall experienced by the city is shown in the graph. Over the 24-hour period, 50% of the rainfall falling on a rooftop which had an obstruction free area of 50 meter square was harvested into a tank. What is the total volume of water collected in the tank in liters? So here in this question, the graph is given of cumulative rainfall versus hours for a 24-hour period. And it is given that over the 24-hour period, whatever the total amount of rainfall occurs, out of that 50% of the rainfall falls on a rooftop which had an obstruction free area of 50 meter square and was harvested into a tank. So we need to calculate the total volume of water collected in the tank. So here first of all, the total amount of rainfall occurs for this 24-hour period is 300 mm as it can be seen in the graph. So this is the 300 mm, this line shows 300 mm. So total rainfall for 24-hour period. For 24-hour period is 300 mm. So out of this 300 mm or out of the total rainfall, 50% of the rainfall is used as a water harvesting and can be collected in a tank. So for water harvesting purpose, total amount of water is 50% of total rainfall. So total rainfall is 300 mm. So 50% of 300 mm is 150 mm. And this is the rainfall amount, and this amount of water had an obstruction free area of 50 meter square which is collected into a tank. So we can say the volume of water in tank is equal to depth of this rainfall. So depth is 150 mm. Since it is given, the area is given in meter square, so it's also convert this mm into meter. So it will be 150 by 1000. Now this is in meter. So this amount of water into area. So area is how much? 50 meter square. 50. So this is the volume of water collected in the tank. So and this is in meter cube, but we need to calculate the amount of water in liters. So for converting meter cube into liter, we multiply this meter cube with 10 to the power 3. So now this 10 to the power 3 and 1000 will be cancelled out. 150 into 15. So 15 into 5, 75, and this is 00. So 7500. So 7500 liters. So this 7500 liters of rainfall will be water will be collected into the tank for this water harvesting purpose. So for this question, the 7500 is in option C. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.